Is it hard to find one that has this? This is my buddy's. What year is it?
It's a 1986 Carrera.
86 Carrera convertible. And 24,000
Just turning over 24
miles.
It's been a collector car for a while. I think the guy that I bought it from Ohio had it in his garage for 8 or 9 years, and before that it was also collected.
Do you have to worry about it being California legal as far as emissions?
Oh no, it wasn't. It passed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
New tires?
They're They're actually 2014s, but they haven't been gotten probably 2,000 miles on them.
Yeah, they look pretty new.
On there. Yeah, they look new.
So the paint's original?
It's all original.
Oh, nice
Never
paint.
been crashed.
And I like that style of the rims with the black and silver.
They're the optional 16-inch Fuchs.
Uh-huh. Mm.
It has the original top too, which is in really nice shape. It's down now.
So the tonneau is also original?
Yeah, original.
Wow, the guy really kept it.
Yeah.
Nice. 5-speed?
It's a 5-speed, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That yellow sticker, that's like what you get. What the car comes with when it's new. It's a caution about starting and not to press the gas pedal when you start it.
Oh.
But the guys never took it off there.
Let me get it.
I thought we'd leave it there too.
Yeah, he probably left it because it added value, or
I don't know, but you know, it's original sticker.
How about that? Yeah, I'd leave it on there, definitely. Wow, the seats are nice. They don't even show any wear. He must have been careful getting in and out of it.
Yeah, just a little patina on the leather.
So, what's the horsepower and torque on this one?
It's 215 horsepower. I'm not sure about the torque.
Okay. What are the major service intervals on it?
I believe it's like 7,500 on oil.
What about? Do you have to have like the valves adjusted or anything like that?
Every 15,000.
So that would be like a major.
Yeah, that's probably the hardest service to do, is change the.
So this has had one of those probably.
Yeah.
I'm sure you got service records with it, huh?
Yeah, I do.
And this one has the rubber bumpers just on the back.
The impact bumpers. Yeah. Well, they have the accordion bumpers, front and rear.
Mm-hmm.
And they were required by the impact, the U.S. impact rules.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
that is really cool.
Thanks.
I wish I could go for a ride with you, but I'm just kind of slammed this weekend. Okay, so we'll see it drive off. Definitely see why people love these cars. Air cooled. Okay, there's a little snippet for you guys and gals. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.